I need money for a new car.
No, you don't. Are you for real?
You gotta get... No box?
Nah. I have two. I'm letting go of one of them just because I'm getting another car later.
Yeah.
I need a little more for a car.
You don't even got a starting price for this guy, bro.
You go fire.
How much you want? How much you want?
How much you want?
No, just if we wanted to sell them. No more than 2,500.
What's going on, people? It's your boy Blake, back with another video, and today we're doing something very, very interesting. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to almost every store in LA, and we are going to ask them if they will take these, buy them, consign them, whatever, because all stores do different. And we're just gonna see what they do. Now, my boy Harrison Nevel, I know him in the sneaker community. He basically made a video bringing a fake pair of Dior Jordan 1s into different sneaker stores to see if they would purchase the shoe. Now, that's a little bit different of a scenario and situation than what we have here because those have not released yet. That's an unreleased shoe, but that video is sick and that's where I'm getting inspiration from a little bit. But today we have an authentic and a believed to be non-authentic Nike Air Max. So we got these both right here. This is my personal pair in a size 12. I used to have two pairs. And then this is the unauthentic pair. Now basically a close friend of mine did have these. He had bought them a while ago and he wasn't really sure if they were real or not. Now I went over there with another friend who's really, really good with shoes. He believed that they were not authentic. Here's the thing with these Nike Air Max. There are fake pairs for sale, but they're never really good. They're always like really off, like obviously fake, you know? And so just looking at both of these shoes, when we look at both of these, obviously the most clear thing that pops out first is this color, this sole. Possible explanation for these could be maybe sitting in the sun, like too much exposure to like the sun, the rays in the sun, and it causes discoloration in the shoe, right? And I haven't really looked at these too much. The buttons, like the spacing, like that's what you have to look for. Like I'm not gonna like sit here and like act like I know a lot about like authenticating shoes because I don't. Basically my point is if these were fake, I wouldn't expect them to be this good. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be taking these and we're gonna take it without the box because that's one more thing that actually throws these off. The box. Now, he said that when he first bought them, he actually bought them from a sneaker store that they claimed it was a replacement box. But if you guys just look at the tag, it's off. It's different, totally. It's like misplaced, like really quality craftsmanship. And then if you look at the size, it says size 9 in there. The size tag is like pretty good, but there's an 8 on the original size tag and they wrote 9. So again, like it could be because maybe it was like a friends and family pair and it came straight from the factory. Probably not though. So maybe these are fake, but we're gonna be taking these with myself, my appearance, just who I am. We did this video kind of before, pair of Yeezys, but we're just gonna take these as is. We'll probably stick this in here too. This is a little poster. My pair has this too. This is why I was a little sussed out because this looks really good. This is the poster that comes with all of them. We're gonna take this little poster, exact same thing, except mine has a little number, a specific number for which shoe this is out of 2,000. There was 2,000 of these released in 2011 through an auction. So this is a video of trying to sell fake Nike Air Max to sneaker stores. All right, so we're gonna be starting it off on Melrose right now, but we're gonna hit up as many stores as I can think of on other streets as well. But the first store we're gonna hit up is Cool Kicks. We thought about what we're gonna say, and I'm gonna say, yo, I'm trying to sell some things in my collection so I can buy another car. I need quick cash because I'm trying to get the car later today. And we're just gonna try to make it sound really realistic and act like these are from my collection and see what happens. Now, we're not actually gonna sell these to anybody. We're not gonna like try to scam one of these stores, but I wanna see if they think these are real with me selling them because people know that I have a pair or two. So, with all that being said, let's get into it. Hey,
Good guy.
what's up?
Sheesh.
I'll let you guys finish this.
Take your time, brother. Man.
I need money for a new car.
No, you don't. Are you for real?
You gotta get a new car?
When?
Second, yeah, an SUV.
Bump? No box?
Nah.
Why you always do this to us?
What?
Why you always try to do
My
this?
beef hair.
Word. You 8 bands, brother.
I play basketball in that
It's
hair.
like that. Come on, Blake. I know better than that, bro.
Not good?
Oh man.
What throws it off, especially from like your...
I can just tell from the looking at it. And I mean,
So we compared it to my original pair at home.
does it even line up?
They're dead.
See, where's the
Basically.
button?
Right here. But
Yeah.
oh yeah, you can't even really feel it. But they look really
One of them's
good to my
missing a size
actual
tag.
pair, except for this. They look like really, because fakes are usually bad, you know?
You guys got anything to say?
Hey, shout out to all my friends. My name is Francisco Rubalcaba. I'm from Mexico.
What do you guys think? Have you seen these in person, like a real pair?
No, I haven't seen
They don't look that bad. I have a real pair at home that we compared them with. I don't think they look that bad.
it. looks kind of sketch, bro. Cause like, what are the like laces?
Oh yeah, they
like,
really like that.
yeah. Yeah, you can tell by the knife, like how like it's cut off. I mean, I've never seen.
I know what you mean though, yeah. It's a little sloppy.
Yeah.
They pass because no box, but I
it's
heard that you sometimes make exclusions
Executive decision.
because these could fit like one of your blends.
I wouldn't buy it because it's no box. That's the main reason.
Bro,
the whole thing.
So they're fake, but I compared them to mine at home. They're damn close, except for like the yellowing, which is obviously.
It's not that close. You look at this.
What about that?
Look at the quality.
Yeah, it's sloppy. But I mean, if you look at it and you start opening it, it's like.
Yeah.
But from like a car, it looks.
Even that.
They're light too.
Yeah.
All right, so this is a new store I haven't been to yet.
What's going on, man?
What's good, G?
Another day, dog. Everything good?
Everything's good. So I'm trying to get a car tonight. I need a little more for the down.
Yeah.
So I have 2 pairs of these. I'm letting one go.
Yeah. 2 pairs? What you asking for?
I mean, you know what they go for now, but these ones are kind of deep.
No box, no nothing?
Yeah. And the yellowing's from like them sitting in the sun, like by a window.
Man. No power buttons, huh?
There isn't?
No power buttons, my man.
This one, it's like right there. I think from doing it so much, yeah, I feel it right here.
Yeah, man, I would pass. To be honest
Really?
with you, yeah, I wouldn't take them.
Are they off?
Yeah, you know, I hate telling people that.
No, it's good that you got it though, 'cause they are, yeah,
fake
they are,
shoes,
though, yeah.
because then they want to argue back and forth
Okay.
with you. So,
Yeah.
you know, I'd rather just tell you I'll pass. But if you ask
Respectfully,
me,
yeah. This is actually a homie of mine. I've known him for a bit in the sneaker game, but what's this spot called?
Supply and demand. We're on Melrose, 7667 Melrose. Pull up anytime, you know, take care of you.
I have 2. I'm letting go of one of them just because I'm getting another car later.
Yeah.
I need a little more for a down.
So
I
what's
brought
up?
him over there and they told me to talk to you guys. Because they said there's like a head here. Like,
Man, you better take these somewhere else, man. We don't got you don't even got a starting price for this guy, bro.
These are fire.
Roger's the one who sold
How much you want?
He's here. Why
How much you want?
I think he didn't think I was
How
gonna
much?
come in.
How much you want?
Yeah, I brought it to the cool. They said to ask you.
About these?
Yeah, they said you had good knowledge on these. They're kind of deep.
Honestly, this condition,
6. They're going for like 15 and
Five,
that would look
six.
good
No
in
more
the
than-
store.
no more than 2,500. Just because, no, just if we wanted to sell them.
I think I have the box at home. I can like bring it in tomorrow. Like,
Oh yeah, and no. Oh, so no box right now. These are fire. Wear them. I want to see somebody wear them. So is this just us?
No, these aren't the lace.
Yeah, these are the lace ones, but are these just us?
They're an 8 now. I'm like a.
Who wears a size 8? I want to see somebody rock them. You wear size 8?
He's a size 8.
Yeah, rock them. I want to see you rock them.
Well, are you buying them?
Santiago,
Buy
check
them.
them.
You can put them on a dog if you
ready?
Give 5
5 racks.
Yeah, pull it out.
You sell the AP they bought you?
Hey man, that shit, I saw that shit, man.
Interesting though, huh?
Yeah, not bad. But that's why I ran away. I knew it right away. I would let
Would
him
you
cook.
let him buy them if he was like?
Yeah, I'd let him cook himself. What? Go ahead.
Yeah.
But no, for sure, they're not bad though.
I mean, I guess if you've never
Somebody
seen
that
a pair.
didn't know, like literally didn't know anything, would probably buy them. Especially from you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yo, sorry in advance to the homie that let me borrow these, but. Oh my God. Bro, I have to give them back.
I'm so sorry, but
Okay.
Nice to meet you too, bro.
I'll support your channel more.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I like the blazers.
Oh, okay, thank
They're
you.
sweet.
This shoe is very cool.
Yeah.
The Max.
That's a fake pair though.
Oh, that's a fake pair.
We're seeing if anybody
okay.
will buy them.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
We're gonna close out this video real quick. I guess just to close this out, it's a little scary because there are some very good fake pairs out there now. These are really good. In my opinion, compared to my pair, I would give these like a 7.5 or 8 out of 10 for like decency, like fake wise. Like they're pretty good fakes in my opinion. The only thing that threw most people off was this yellow sole. I feel like when you're looking at it up front and you see that, it kind of immediately tells you that it's fake. But other than that, I think they're pretty good. Make sure you guys are careful when buying shoes. Buy them from reputable places or sources. Have them checked from like people that know what they're doing. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please make sure to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Also drop a like. Follow me on my socials, at blakelinder, Snapchat, on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy Blake. This is my GTR. If you guys haven't seen this yet, like I put it in a couple videos. My baby, I love her. Wrapped it purple, and I think it looks pretty sick. So I'll see you guys.